Hey brothers and sisters, welcome back to our channel. This is part 2 of our 3-part series in how to begin a spiritual journey. As always, remember that your path is yours. This is an individual journey. I am just here to assist you in any way I can with this initial series. Once we get up and started, you guys will be able to use whatever information is loaded at your leisure. At this point, you should be making changes. If you haven't watched the initial video in the 3-part series, it will be linked in the description box below. Go ahead now and read the questions that are on these slides. Make sure you're jotting them down in your notebook and journal. These questions will also they can be written down individually, they can be written down separately, or they could just be written down on a one part of your notebook and filled out as you go and learn in each slide. However you choose to dress it up, remember, this is your journey, this is your path. You're simply, taking steps to create changes that you need, whether or not you need them. You may not want to change from whatever practice or whatever spiritual path or whatever religion you're in. Remember, you can always revert back to previous videos. Again, the first one was religion versus spirituality. This is making changes. And the next one will be on getting active. I may appear live and get to complete this series. Just remember that you will always be referred back to these videos once we get started with each individual video on this YouTube channel. This YouTube channel platform is, again, to assist you. And remember that all research can be independently conducted and verified through your own sources and through your own diligent studies. So be geared up, be motivated, and ready to move along as we start this spiritual journey. I'm so excited to bring some of you along with me. And for those who choose not to continue on, we still welcome you to chime in your thoughts and opinions, but ultimately, your path is yours. Whatever you decide to do, whether you decide to remain religious and go on a spiritual journey, or just strictly go on a spiritual journey, or neither, you are always welcome. As always, remain respectful and understand that there's always going to be research to be done, and we'll always give you references for you to backdrop or refer back to whenever we get into hiccup moments where people may question certain things that may or may not be said due to their own indoctrination, religious beliefs, spiritual ideas, and paths. We're not going to say anybody is wrong. We'll give everybody that freedom and respect. I just want each and every one of you to enjoy this path. You can rewind these videos at any time. If you missed something, or you want to re-jot something down, or you couldn't quite grasp, always remember we're meditating before we're actually getting into the study. So what you may get out of the study may be totally different from what is presented. That's totally fine. Where you are in your spiritual journey or religious and spiritual path is totally fine. Let yourself be used by your ancestors, spiritual entities, gods, or whatever path you're on, and just be respectful and be accepting and be open to what it is that this journey may bring you. I hope that 2020 is a prosperous new year for you all, and I love you guys. Until the next video, always remember, your path is yours. See you in the next one.